We'll let you all know that our office has already spoken with both anonymous grand juror number 1 and number 2, who are very pleased to report that the judge ruled in favor of disclosure, in favor of truth and transparency, and in the interest of public trust. In the court's order, the court weighed all the law and all the facts in this particular case, and specifically weighed the public interest at issue. And the court issued what is a 9-page, very detailed, very well-written order. And the most relevant part to what we're here for today is where she granted our motion to release the grand jury proceedings to include the unrecorded portions, specifically because Attorney General Daniel Cameron kept making statements regarding what occurred outside of those recordings, and no one was able to weigh in on that, refute it, clarify it, or frankly to tell him that he was incorrect in his statements. That ability has now been granted. The written statement has been released to the media to share freely. At this time, there won't be any direct interviews with either of our clients. This is still an open matter to some degree. If the Attorney General's office wishes to appeal, they have that right to do so. But their motion to hold any order such as this in abeyance until that appeal happened was also denied today. So the court's ruling was very clear that at least for the time being, grand jurors, all 12 of them actually, are free to speak, whether they want to do so anonymously or publicly, but no one is allowed to disclose their identifying information or their name without either leave of the court or written permission from those individuals. Our clients at this time, as I stated, are very, very pleased. We as a legal team are very pleased and very proud of them for their courage and their efforts in stepping forward, and we're very proud to work with Game Changers and Chris in trying to help the community gain some understanding here on what really happened during the grand jury proceedings. But at this time, our clients do wish to remain anonymous. We are still assessing their position moving forward, and obviously we will monitor any steps that are taken or actions by the Attorney General's office. That's pretty much it in sum. If people